Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare drumstick curry in a simple way. In a cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil, few mustard seeds, few curry leaves, small cup of chopped onions, small cup of tomatoes. Mix them. Salt to taste, chili powder as per your taste, half tablespoon of cumin powder. Mix them and you don't need to overcook them. Just add drumsticks. Toss them for few minutes. Add coconut milk as needed. Pressure cooker it for 1 whistle. If you cook for too long, the drumstick may get smashed up. So just 1 whistle is sufficient. We have very little leftover water. Add besan mixture. I have mixed half tablespoon of besan with the water. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Now our healthy drumstick curry is ready. Friends, always remember, eat healthy, stay healthy. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.